What's up, y'all, man? It is the kid back in the flesh, man. And today we got a little something special, man. I hope y'all can hear me with all the wind going on. But here today we have a 2024 Continental GT, by the way. And that purple. It's a beautiful day out here today. Purple on black, man. Edition 8, you feel what I'm saying? Yeah, man. As you can hear the exhaust going. Let's hop in there. Right. I have a lot of love for this one, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, man. It's a nice car, man. It's a really nice car. It's purple on purple in the interior. Purple on purple, as you can see in the interior, man. This is fire, bro. Alcantara on the top. See the purple on tan. Yeah, man. Let's go. Hope y'all been doing all right, man. This should be my second video. God willing, this should definitely be my second video of another Bentley, man. Like I said, I do drive a lot of fancy stuff. If y'all are new to the channel, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Got a little something special for y'all. As y'all can see, this is 220 on the dash. No kidding. This is real life. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm gonna do a few pulls for y'all. And yeah, we're gonna reach my destination. So let's do it. Wait for this big ass box truck to get out of the way. Yeah, I can see, bro. This thing is hungry, bro. It's hungry. Oh, it's 12. Can't do too much. It's 12, right? Definitely one of those, man. Yeah, man. I hope y'all doing all right, man. I hope y'all enjoying these videos, man. I love making them. They're pretty fun, so yeah, bro. It's a head turner for sure. I gotta hold my camera down just because it's 12 out here. Okay. All right, let's work. It's a beautiful day outside, man. It's like 85 on a cool, slight day, bro. I love weather like this. You feel me? Look at dude, bro. Yeah, man. Let's go. I hope y'all can hear the exhaust a little bit. I know it's a lot of wind, but nah, this is a quick one for sure. It's a little cut up, man. Not too crazy. I love these cars, bro. If I could, like, if y'all could drive this, bro, I tell you, it's you smiling the whole time you driving. I ain't gonna lie. It's one of them, bro. It's one of them, fam. I ain't gonna lie. It's not 2P. Like, bro, I just feel like the biggest player in it, bit. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, folks always rolling their window down, trying to get my attention or whatnot. It's a cool car, man. It's a cool car. This also flips. If you didn't know, it has 3 different modes on there. But it only goes from the analog clocks to this as of right now. But yeah, man, it's hot. It's hot in this car, bruh. That junk on Celsius, bruh. But yeah, this only has 70 miles, so I can't push it too crazy. But like I said, man, yeah, life is good. You feel what I'm saying? Life is good right now. But yeah, man. Hopefully y'all are enjoying this so far. This is really a one take. I don't think I'm going to edit this one at all because it's just too much. This ain't be fighting to open up, bro. Like, oh my goodness. What is going on? This traffic is slow. This traffic is slow right now. But yeah. Y'all let me know how y'all liking these videos, man. Like I said in my last video, I will be getting a gimbal, or not a gimbal, excuse me. I will be getting a mount very soon for these POVs, a nice POV mount so you guys can see everything. As of right now, I am holding the camera. Yeah, bro, it's a little ghetto, bro. You gotta fake it till you make it, you feel me? Gotta fake it till you make it. But yeah, I'm about to arrive at my destination, but we do have to drive back. So I'm gonna pick up the camera then. I'm back. Yeah, man, nothing too crazy, man. I couldn't do too much in this. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. This is gonna be more of a shorter video just because I didn't have that far to go today. I had to go to a specific location. But yeah, y'all let me know. If y'all like this one, man, I'll bring it back. You feel what I'm saying? I love this one. It gets so many looks, so many stares. I don't know. I feel like a real rock star in a bit. But yeah, y'all take care of yourself, man. I will see y'all in the next one. Ain't no telling what I might be in, man. But y'all just stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all turn them post notifications on and subscribe. Subscribe first and then turn post notifications on, you feel me? Let's work in order. Let's work in the right order. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Big things on the way. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Okay.